Hey guys, I'm Max and I'm at my nana's, and today I'm going to be reviewing this. The 12th Doctor's second, that's right, I said second sonic screwdriver. Now, it does have lights. That's my nana in the background and the TV. I'm making a video! I'll be there in a minute. But it does have lights. It has basic mode. For blue it has basic mode, but unfortunately I don't have the box. But as I said, it does have basic mode. For blue it has like this bit where it goes like that, and it has green mode, which goes like that. So there. I will of course put links in the description where you can get it. And it does have other features. For blue, when you tap it down twice fast, it will make another noise. I mean, like this. Like so. That's for green. So like I said before, I will put videos in I will put links in the description. Thank you for watching and subscribe, and good night. I mean good afternoon. And I will be back with many more good videos. Bye.